This video highlights the improvements made to MoversSuite at version 2019 R7. Some new features are available to those of you working with the MoversSuite text messaging system. Within the text messaging conversation screen, the open conversation has a dark background to help you discern it from other conversations. And the contact name and phone number also display at the top of the message pane. This is to reaffirm that you are sending a message to the correct party. Lastly, updates now show in red. More changes to text messaging are heading your way in future releases of MoversSuite. The service date options have been updated for local services. Many of you desired a quick way of entering a single date for a single local service request. With this release, you can now simply enter the date for a single service request and move on to other settings. Aside from entering the date by hand, you can also utilize the calendar drop-down to assist you. Additional service dates are available through the Options button. From this dialog, you have three options to choose from. If the service date is unknown, you can choose the default setting of To be determined. You can also create a series of services by setting the date range. Choose dates by entering them by hand or using the drop-down selector within either date field. You can also use the new Date Picker utility. The Date Picker allows you to set the beginning date and the ending date of the range you wish to create services for. Your selections are highlighted within the calendar. Press OK, and the application updates the range to the dates you selected using the Date Picker. If you need to edit this range, you can do so directly by updating either field or by going back to the Date Picker and selecting different dates. When creating a series of services, you can choose to create them on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. If creating daily recurring services, choose which days you wish to exclude. By default, Saturday and Sunday are excluded. If we save this record, the application will create the same service for each of these days for each week in the spread starting on the 1st and ending on the 25th. You can review this selection before creating the services. You can hover to view the description in its entirety. The options can be updated by going back into the options. Instead of creating services every day, say you wish to create services for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday that repeat every 2 weeks. You can do that quickly here. So, these services will reoccur every other week. The last option is the ability to select specific dates to create services on. Use the Date Picker to select the dates. The dates do not have to be in any sequence, nor do they have to be in the same week, month, or even year. Click on any date to set or to remove a date. At any time in the Options dialog, you can press Clear. This removes all settings, including any dates set within the Date Picker. Once the services are added to the order, you can update the date using the basic calendar drop-down selector. Refer to the Add Local Service topic in your online help for more information. Factoring now operates on a per-branch basis that generates branch-specific output files. When you open the factoring screen, you must now select a branch along with setting the dates to search by. The query includes those invoices on orders associated to the selected branch. Once you make selections and process the batch, you are prompted to select the folder as the location of the saved files. The output contains 2 files, each named for factoring data set for the branch. The CSV file contains details on the invoices included in the factoring, and the PDF file contains copies of all invoices. On past releases, each individual invoice was also saved to the output folder. Find out more about this feature through the factoring topic. Please read the online help at version 2019 R7 for more information on this release and to learn more about the products and features available to you. Thank you.